how to enable or disable use system font for web pages in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the Samsung Internet app, and then tap on the menu key at the bottom. Next, tap on Settings. In the Internet Settings page, go down to the bottom and tap on tap on Labs. And in Labs, tap on Use System Font for web pages. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now to start using this feature, you need to restart the app. So to use your system font for web pages, Samsung Internet needs to restart. So tap on the OK button, and then Samsung Internet will restart and refresh the page. And that's it. If you want to switch it off, you can go back into the same settings and tap on Labs and then switch it off, and then tap on the OK button to restart the Samsung Internet again. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.